Let's make the flakiest empanadas using our recipe and the best avocado puree you have ever had in your entire life. Homogeneous scramble, brush to coat. There's tamis for the avocado puree. Boom. All prepped up. Safety first. Heel of the knife, pinch it off, scoop it out. Get them all ready for the puree. Look at that color, perfectly green. Brush, add optional toppings like sesame, everything bagel seasoning, poppy, anything you want. Pop it in the oven, and let's get our puree going. Cilantro, jalapeno in. We're not adding garlic, it's too strong for this. Salt, pepper, lime juice, avocado of course. Just keep running it until nice and smooth. You don't have to run it through a tamis. We're not going for Michelin stars here. It's really good. Food. Check out consistency, give it a taste. Beautiful color, beautiful consistency. I mean, you can dip a burnt tire in this and it'd be amazing. Scoop it up, but keep it room temperature. Very important. This must be eaten within the first few hours. Don't let it go to waste. Always make to order. Do not refrigerate. Okay, these guys are almost there. Check them out now. 5 minutes later. Wunderbar. Wunderbar. Okay, let's put them right to cool. Very hot to the touch, so be careful. And let's get ready to plate. Don't mind me, I'm using only one hand. I apologize. Let's do it with a nice selected swirl. Believe me, I'm just going to be eating it strictly in container anyway. And it's an optional burnt jalapenos on the side. Just give it a nice additional heat. Wow, look at that. I guess it's right up the container.
That homemade crust is definitely worth the effort.
Well, our jalapenos go well. Enjoy. We did this using our crust recipe that you can find.
Thank you for watching.